Hey everyone, welcome to Consumer Heaven, your daily destination for honest product reviews and practical buying guides, covering everything from kitchen essentials and home gadgets to lifestyle and tech finds. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best non-stick pans of 2025 that you can grab right now on Amazon. We'll start from number 5 and work our way to number 1, where I'll reveal the pan that I think is the absolute best of the bunch. And remember, I've added the latest and best Amazon deals for every product featured in this list. You'll find them in the description and pinned comment below. So if one catches your eye, just scroll down and check it out. Let's get into it. At number 5, Tramontina Professional Frying Pan. This is our 5th ranked pick, but still a fantastic choice for those on a budget. It delivers excellent heat distribution thanks to its heavy gauge aluminum construction. The reinforced non-stick coating works beautifully, eggs slide right out without tearing, and cleanup is a breeze. The cast stainless steel handle comes with a removable silicone grip for both comfort and versatility. It works with gas, electric, and ceramic glass cooktops and can handle oven temperatures up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Plus, its seamless interior design means no rivets trapping food, making it easier to clean. The high sloped sides make it great for sautéing and stir-frying. Just note, the exterior might discolor with high heat, but the non-stick performance stays solid with proper care. It's dishwasher safe, though hand washing is recommended. At number 4, Boksiki Ceramic Pan. This pan is loved for its premium non-toxic ceramic coating that gives outstanding non-stick results. The stainless steel handle stays cool during stovetop cooking, and the ceramic surface heats quickly and evenly, perfect for omelets, pancakes, and other delicate foods. Its textured cooking surface helps with consistent browning while letting food release effortlessly. It moves from stovetop to oven with ease, handling up to 445 degrees Fahrenheit. Cleanup is quick, just wipe clean or pop it in the dishwasher. While the handle offers a secure grip, it can get a bit slippery if wet. At number 3, Alva Maestro Pan. This pan stands out with minimal oil cooking and a 100% non-toxic ceramic coating that's free from PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium. The aluminum core ensures even heating and no hot spots, while the welded stainless steel handle stays cool and comfortable. It's oven safe up to 392 degrees, though it's not dishwasher safe, but it cleans easily with soap and water. The straight sides and rounded rim help prevent spills while pouring. Even after extended use, the ceramic coating holds up well if you avoid metal utensils, ideal for pancakes, sautéing, and more. At number 2, All-Clad Hybrid Pan. This runner-up combines stainless steel strength with non-stick benefits thanks to its unique hexagonal pattern. The aluminum core sandwiched between stainless steel layers ensures even heating and works on all cooktops, including induction. It's oven-safe to 500 degrees and has a stay-cool handle. While not as slippery as traditional non-stick, it works great when seasoned and used at medium heat. It's dishwasher safe, but hand washing will help it last longer. This pan's hybrid design makes it perfect for searing while still offering some non-stick convenience, and it comes with a lifetime warranty. At number 1, Our Place Always Pan. Taking the top spot, this pan is an all-rounder with a durable ceramic nonstick coating for excellent food release. The aluminum body heats quickly and evenly, and it's versatile enough for searing, sautéing, steaming, and more. It comes with a modular lid, custom-fit steamer basket, and wooden spatula that all fit together neatly. The nonstick surface is free from harmful chemicals, making it safe for everyday cooking. Features like the pour spout, integrated spoon rest, and stay cool handle make it super user-friendly. Cleaning is easy, and while it's dishwasher safe, hand washing helps maintain the coating. With proper care, this pan can replace multiple other pieces of cookware in your kitchen. And that's my list of the top 5 best non-stick pans of 2025, brought to you by Consumer Heaven. Which one would you choose for your kitchen? Drop your pick in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Consumer Heaven, and hit the bell so you never miss our daily kitchen product reviews. All the purchase links are in the description, so check them out before the deals change. Until next time, happy cooking!